Alright guys, I got it plugged up and ready to go, ready to test. I have the front cover on, as you can see. I got 2 screws to put on. I had to put the filter on. This is how the grill opens. And now for the moment of truth. Here's fan on high. Let's see, mode. Dry, energy saver, cool. Yeah, let's do cool right now. And then try 70 degrees. Let's see what it's gonna do. Wow, that's pretty quiet. That fan noise though. Takes so long to turn up. Temperature, timer. Still speeding up. Okay. Sleep. Okay. And I got the mode already works. Fan speed. There you go.